Stop fighting mildew and start sanitizing. Discover the non-toxic integrated plant protection, or IPP strategy that guarantees a clean, residue-free harvest. Reaching for stronger treatments is risking your most valuable crop. Modern cultivation creates an impossible cycle. You face pressure blocks from pathogen outbreaks like powdery mildew, while stringent regulations and high crop value increase financial risk, especially during the vulnerable late stage. Traditional integrated pest management, or IPM, traps you in a reactive doom loop. When mildew appears, you panic, applying strong chemicals. This compromises quality and increases lab failure risk, leading to repeated outbreaks. Integrated plant protection (IPP) shifts the strategy from reactive treatment to proactive sanitation. This allows for total environmental control and an offensive posture, ensuring optimal plant health and a guaranteed residue-free product. IPP is a modern paradigm compared to the outdated IPM approach. IPP adopts an offensive, perpetually ready posture, preventing pathogen establishment completely, using a single, non-toxic sanitation formula, ensuring total security and safety. Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420 powers the complete IPP protocol. It's the new generation of non-toxic sanitation solutions, delivering organic protection from seed to harvest and formulated for the intense demands of commercial cannabis and hemp cultivation. Active protection during late flower guarantees crop security right up to harvest day. The IPP Advantage allows you to actively protect your investment during its most vulnerable stage, providing a zero-risk, residue-free solution. The formula acts as a final harvest wash, dissolving entirely into water and oxygen. This process involves application, neutralization, and final dissipation, removing surface contaminants right before drying with zero trace elements left behind. Consolidate multiple chemical needs into one 360-degree total environmental control solution. This single product can be used for sanitizing facilities, flushing irrigation lines, direct application to the canopy, and sterilizing equipment. Simplifying operations moves cultivation from a cycle of problems to a state of perpetual readiness. The IPP approach reduces costs, minimizes user error, and guarantees compliance by eliminating the anxiety of failing lab tests. Secure your harvest and guarantee clean lab results by implementing a residue-free strategy today. Stop worrying about failing lab tests and start growing with confidence. Download your free resource to learn more about the Grower's Choice approach.